If you're craving something sweet but you don't have a lot of time, all you need is 5 minutes and 4 easy ingredients. Let me show you how to make it. To make the cheesecake fluff, grab a cold mixing bowl, and I actually like to put mine in the freezer about 10 minutes before I'm going to make it. And then pour in 1 cup of cold heavy cream. Grab your hand mixer and whip it up till you get soft peaks. This is about the consistency that we're looking for. Set that aside, grab a fresh bowl, and add in 8 ounces of full fat cream cheese. And then fluff it up using your hand mixer. Add in 1/3 cup of your sweetener and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then continue mixing until well combined. And then transfer the mixture to your whipped cream and continue mixing just until it's combined. You don't want to overmix it. And then I like to transfer this to a piping bag. Just makes it easier to portion out. And that's it. It's ready to serve. Hi guys, I'm Julianne, a Keto Cooking Christian, and yes, I'm in front of the camera this time. I wanted to hop on here and show you how to make one of my favorite last minute desserts. You saw how quick and easy that was to make, and you only need 4 ingredients. So you probably already have them in your pantry and your fridge. Let me show you how I like to serve it. I put mine in a piping bag with a little fancy tip. Just makes it a little prettier, a little extra special. And I just pipe it out. Look how pretty that is. Now you can serve it just as it is. It's absolutely delicious. Or you can add some fresh berries or some chocolate chips, sugar-free chocolate chips. Or you can put different fruit sauces like strawberry sauce or raspberry sauce or blueberry sauce. You can even do a chocolate sauce or a salted caramel sauce. And the good news is I have all those sauces keto friendly on my site, and I'll put the links down below so that you can check them out. But I honestly like to eat it just as is. Once in a while I'll put a couple of berries just to mix things up a little bit, but it's good all on its own, honestly. Look at that. Light and fluffy and delicious. Silky texture, light and fluffy, kind of like a mousse, kind of like a cheesecake, maybe a little hybrid of the two. Absolutely delicious. Now let me show you something else. If you're having guests over, you're having a little party, little get together, take a little shot glass and pipe it out in your shot glass. And you can get quite a few of these out of one batch. But if you need more, you can just double or triple the batch. It's easy enough. And look how pretty that is, right? Add a couple little chocolate chips or berries or whatever you like. And there you go. Your guests will love it. I hope you give this recipe a try. And if you do, drop me a comment down below. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know also, and I'll be happy to do them for you. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.